Python is a general-purpose language. It is used from web development to gaming and from AI to desktop applications. Due to the simplicity of its syntax, beginners tend to learn it with relative ease than other programming languages. Python is one of the most widely used and preferred programming languages used in AI. Let's first download and then install Python to our computer. Go to www.python.org and find and download the setup file suitable for the OS running onto your computer. Here I am downloading Python for Windows. Rest of the installation process in this video will apply only to Windows. Click on Install Now and let the installation process run. You can also choose Customize Installation if you want to choose your own path for installation. But keep in mind select Add Python exe to Path option so that Python is added to your environment variables. Otherwise you may find difficulties in running Python and you have to add path manually later. Python installation is quite simple on Windows. As you can see, it did not take long. In the next video, we'll dive straight into Python coding.